Welcome to part 2 of my pantry. I got rid of all of the wire shelves and we demoed out the door opening. If you didn't see part 1, you need to go back and see part 1 to see how we got here. Then I went over to Amazon to find some good shelving for what I wanted. I knew that I could just buy regular boards and do shelving, but I knew I wanted something to put rice cooker and my crock pot, the blender, all of those into, like little cubbies. But I also wanted it to look like it was kind of built in, so I found this one on Amazon and it had like a faux wood top. When I got it in, I found out it actually was kind of too short. I wanted it almost countertop height.
So I'm trying to build a base to go under the cabinet that I bought because this one is way too short. I want it higher.
And I'm gonna get the L brackets to go on there. So visually, I wanted something like warm and woody, so I found a peel and stick wallpaper that I'm going to put on just the back wall. And I have a love-hate relationship with peel and stick because it is like the best invention ever, but for some reason I always struggle with straight lines. And yet again, I did because I have my awesome laser level. If the walls aren't actual like straight or level, then it doesn't matter if you try and go by the laser level. So I'm not sure if I should have done this from like the top, but as you can see, my laser is on the left hand side, which is going up and down, and I think it should have gone across, and that would have helped me because in the end it falls short on that left side, but ultimately it's going to be okay because it's going to be hidden. Once I got all that done, then I found hardware to mount. Kind of wanted that like floating shelf look. These were like some heavy duty shelf brackets that I got off of Amazon. I'm putting 2 up. It was really hard to find a stud, so I had to use my anchor systems, but the ones that I use them everywhere. On each one holds like 50 pounds. So ultimately I put 4 anchors in each side, which that's like 200 pounds of food that I can put up there. So I think I'm good with that. Then these were just the boards that I used. I got the premium brand because I didn't want a lot of knots. I had to sand those down and cut them to length. There you can see I have them up. I've put stuff strategically to see. I'm a very visual person, so I have to see as I go, like what fits, what doesn't fit. Do I need more shelving? Do I need containers? All of that. Get to the point where I'm pretty happy about this. Then you can see I'm putting up the trim around the outer because I don't want it to look like an actual doorway. This used to be where a closet pantry was, and I just opened it up into my laundry room. My favorite method of staining is just to put a glove on, put a sock over that, clean obviously, lint free, and just rub on. It's so easy. You cannot mess this one up. But this is where I should have stained it before I actually put it up on the trim because it gets kind of messy, and I did get it on my walls a little bit, but I had to fix the wall, so I wasn't too upset about this one anyway. Just putting a nice coat of, I think it's early American Minwax that I put on it after I had sanded, just to make sure that there were no rough spots or anything. Once I got that all stained and finished, I had to concentrate on the left-hand side where there's a light switch because it didn't fit, so we bought a wooden one, and there's an outlet cover below. We had to do the same thing. Stain that top piece, got it up. My husband put an outlet in there for me so I can actually use that fake countertop part as like just pull the toaster up or the air fryer and use it the way that I want to use it. Make sure you like and subscribe because I love the way it came out and I can't wait to do the next project. See you soon.